The heater's on. That heater is on for sure. Lord have mercy. Excuse me. Hello, my loves. I was just sitting here thinking, like, you know, what could I do at 10:33 at night? And I said, let me install a wig. So this is a wig that I'm supposed to actually wear on Christmas, but I went to cut bangs into it. So I am going to install off camera. The reason I'm doing off camera is because I really don't know how I'm going to install it, all that. I don't know. I feel like it's better that I come back after it's installed, and then when it's time to cut the bangs, because that's what the video is for. Anyways, yeah, see y'all. Why are you so annoying? Like, just literally go on the forehead. Like, why is this acting so stupid? I don't care. Like, I really don't care. So stop talking to me. Anyway. We are going to attempt to cut the bangers at this point. And I think you literally just do a little triangle. You don't have to do anything too crazy. But maybe. Because let's see, because when it... Let me see. If you know me, I'm not big on tutorials. I feel like they give me more of a headache than I already got from, like, you know, attempting to do something. But I have to look at the tutorial, unfortunately, even though it really pisses me off. But let's see if this one doesn't piss me off. They're making me click wrong things. We love that. Oh, this is my girl, Paris Danielle. Sorry, I farted. That's my girl, Paris Danielle. She probably won't literally do this same exact triangle situation. I'm pretty sure she glued her wig down as a respectable human, but yeah, she installed her wig perfectly. Yeah, it's like a little triangle.
You really have to you're gonna want to cut it shorter, so you don't want to cut it short and now you gotta cut it shorter and it look.
She kind of, you know, put more hair. Oh my god, it's hair in my... Get out. No, you better. Okay. Which is definitely smart in our case because, you know, I did not install the lace completely. So, this actually makes sense for us to do more so. You know, y'all need to stop everything that y'all doing and y'all need to pray for me, and I do not care. If I mess this wig up, I'm going to be very, very angry. Yeah, so you already know my rule, but it's not ever going to be that long. So we can start right here. It's not even at all. And I cannot see y'all, so I don't know how, yeah. I don't know why I did not cut that evenly. Let me look in the mirror and lock in, because we getting shorter. Why? Wait, like, this is really cute. Wait, hold on. The reason why it's like this because the middle part, like the wig is like kind of crooked and the middle part is kind of crooked. So, but it's like, it kind of gives like a natural feel. I don't think I'm going to go any shorter than this. I could shape it up, of course. And then I could also curl it. But I love a fringe. I don't like thick bangs. I thought these bangs were going to be super thick, but they're actually not thick at all. And they're more, you know, they look more natural. And they got some movement to it too. Like, what's that? Love you. You cut a little bit, like, you know, around here to frame the face. You see me? Like, my eyes is already going crazy. Yeah, I like how, you know, they give it like kind of a messy, like, you know, a messy natural look. Like I cut bangs into my real hair. Am I dragging it out or it looks a mess? I don't know. I like it. So y'all tell me how I feel about bangers. Ow. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.